Because last time, no, he had taken me to some Malviya Nagar to meet some set of doctors at some hospital, and those guys had done some kind of checking, which is a, radiology checkup, sonography, yeah. But they didn't give me a sonography report. They just saw the thing in their system, and they told my husband that they'll talk to him or whatever. But the thing is, no movement has happened. So why does my husband ask me to do a sonography at places where there is no clarity of information from before? I also know the names of the doctors. Okay, I'm not going to take their names because I'm not interested in this mud sling. You understand? But this is really, really sad. This is really, really sad. And if you guys in Malviya Nagar are doing surrogacy, which is not legal, then it's your headache. But I have a genuine reason and I would like to do it properly. But yes, probably you are trying to tell my husband, hum itna paisa lenge, hum utna paisa lenge, because you think it is something that can be used as a weapon to extract money out of us, which is very, very wrong. That's why people go abroad and do it. Like Ekta Kapoor went abroad, Tushar Kapoor went abroad. I don't think they did surrogacy in India. Nayanthara did surrogacy in India. I don't know. I think yes, she did, because there was some controversy when they got a twins surrogate. But some place Sangram took me to Malviya Nagar. I have the name, I have the WhatsApp chats. I really don't want to get into the mud sling. Do you understand? But only addressing the issue. The issue is that I don't know what shit happens in Delhi. Forget Rohingyanas and Bangladeshis and all that. What kind of practices happen in Delhi, which is the capital of this country? It's amazing. Amazing ethics. Amazing. You think that surrogacy is not legal or whatever. Your lawyer is trying to scare my husband. You talk in the group, no? You talk law with me in the group. And I will make my lawyer talk in the group, WhatsApp group, or do a Zoom call, or do a Google Meet. Clarify the doubts. No, why are you trying to give pointers to my husband in darkness? कि ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. Why are you trying to extort money out of him? It's not good to extort money out of him, no? That's really, really not nice, no? In the name of helping us. Don't do that. Don't do that. We are citizens who follow the law of the land. But yes, we all have a right to make our choices. So, in the garb of helping my husband, you wanted to extort money out of us. So that's the zone, है ना? Malviya Nagar. Okay. Hi guys. All the best. So I did not remove any extra luggage from my bag to be sent by courier to Bombay. The same bag that was with clothes, the same bag was right now checked in, and only the heels that I wore, they were put inside the container, which is going to be getting, those oils and whatever Sangram was gifted. So that's the zone. So right now it was weighing 14.7 and I did not pay anything extra as excess baggage. Just clarifying, it was the same bag, just one pair of heels was removed and कल के रात के कपड़े जो पहने हुए थे, and that's it, and one जोड़ा कपड़ा. Okay, now that cannot be causing 4 kgs excess. So Indigo, I think some kind of button shuffling happens that you do underneath when bags are put on your belt. That needs to be checked. So right now we are standing because he has asked us to stand. But the thing is, Indigo, it was the same bag that was used to come into Delhi yesterday. मैंने योगा मैट भी नहीं निकाली, ठीक है ना? मैंने सिर्फ एक जोड़ा कपड़ा निकाला है, जूते तक नहीं निकाले जो मैं नॉर्मल वैसे लाई थी, सिर्फ हील्स निकाली. तो एक हील एक जोड़ी कपड़े का तुम 4 kg बोलते हो ओवरवेट है. आई एम गेटिंग माई स्टफ. मैंने लैपटॉप आज कवर में रखा बिकॉज दे अलाउड मी टू कीप इट इन द कवर. दिस लैपटॉप है यार, महंगा है. थोड़ा वो हो जाए तो फिर खर्चा बहुत ज़्यादा आता है. सच में दे अलाउड मी टू कीप द लैपटॉप इन द कवर. मैंने लैपटॉप निकाला नहीं था जानबूझ के बैग से बिकॉज आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू कीप माई लैपटॉप इन द ट्रे. एनीवेज नाउ आई एम जस्ट वेटिंग बिकॉज मेरे सूटकेस को इन्होंने उसमें डाला है. That they have done some kind of arrangement which is good on Delhi airport. I like it. I really like it. The kind of arrangement. लोगों को कंट्रोल करना, इंडिया के लोगों को कंट्रोल करना डिफिकल्ट है. But they've done. Sorry, मैं भूल गई. सारे चार्जर. मोबाइल का चार्जर सब चार्जर. 4 फ़ोन है मेरे. इसमें वो भगवान जी का है. ठीक है. हाँ परफ्यूम है.
एक और भी है क्या?
एक ही है. ठीक है. थैंक यू. My phone and this is not working. This is not working. Your sockets are not working. Delhi airport, what's wrong with you? It's not working. See, it's not charging. So for fast forward, where is the line to enter? From here only? Yeah. Line is from there only.
They will announce, sir. They will announce.
Because so many people are going without.
You can wait here like.
I would not like to lift it and be in the bad books because I have lots of friends everywhere. So if I lift it, somebody will come and scold me. Yes. So can you give me poha? Mustard. I don't want to have mustard sandwich. What's this must? No, I don't want. Give me the coffee and give me water. Give me 2 cups of water. I've booked this sandwich for me this time. So this is sandwich which has got mustard. So I'll give it to my servant. Yes, now next time eat some free banana or some free whatever bar or something healthy and expect me to post it. I won't post it because I know the game. जब उनको अपना कुछ ब्राउनी पॉइंट चाहिए होता है, इंस्टा स्टोरी चाहिए होती है, तब उनका कोई क्रू मेंबर हमको वो दे देता it flushes on its own in the aircraft. A mask because there are people who are coughing inside the flight, and I don't want that cough to come inside my nostrils. I'm wearing a mask inside the flight. Okay, I was not wearing the mask in the AC car when I was coming from the hotel to the airport. I took a fast forward, so I was allowed to check in first because of the fast forward. But now, when we have to get down, people are standing, people from behind have gone front, they are blocking the entire path. तो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड लेके आप फ्लाइट में तो आ सकते हो, मगर जब फ्लाइट से उतरना है तब वो फास्ट फॉरवर्ड का कोई वैलिडेशन है नहीं. You understand? Standing. Everything is like crowded, so I will sit. From behind have come and they have gone ahead and they have blocked the path. So today I'll just sit, wait for the path to get cleared and then get up. Because I'm by myself, yeah, there's no Sangram behind me, so why get into the crowd? I'm standing right now for the taxi और यहाँ पर इतनी pollution है because there are cars coming in, there is no ventilation, and this is the P4 parking of Bombay's car parking. Not able to get connection to talk to the driver. It's funny. I'm standing right now for the taxi और यहाँ पर इतनी pollution है because there are cars coming in, there is no ventilation, and this is the P4 parking of Bombay's car parking. Not able to get connection to talk to the driver. It's funny. जो लोग दिल्ली के ऊपर पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं कि दिल्ली में हवा का प्रदूषण whatever nonsense. हाँ, यहाँ पे इतना गंदा सेटअप है. अगर टैक्सी लेके घर जाना है तो there is no line, trolleys are thrown in the way. इतना पोल्यूशन तो आप ऐसे ही इनहेल कर रहे हो यहाँ पे खड़े खड़े बिकॉज टैक्सी वालों की भी गलती नहीं है. उनको जब रास्ता खाली मिलेगा तब वो आएंगे ना. दिस इज़ सो अनसेफ द वे people have to take taxi and go out from this Mumbai T2 terminal. तो बॉम्बे में सरकार बदली है तो उनको बोलो ये चेंज करें. बॉम्बे में तो दूसरी सरकार है ना, तो ये एयरपोर्ट का कौन करता है अथॉरिटी. इट इज़ सो सैड. फ़ोन भी नहीं चल रहा था वो ऊबर का, जबकि मेरा कनेक्शन है, तो मुझे लगा शायद आप दूर हो, पता नहीं.
यहाँ पे थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू आता है.
हाँ, नेटवर्क इशू भी आ रहा है. ऊपर से कोई इतनी गर्मी है, मतलब आदमी खड़ा भी नहीं रह सकता, इतना धुआं है. These people who sit here, they are inhaling no polluted air of cars. ये दिल्ली नहीं है मगर यहाँ पे इतना पोल्यूशन है because there's no ventilation. तो सब लोग यहाँ पे polluted air को inhale कर रहे हैं. So what do we do about that? So mask is required. So mask is required here also. So संग्राम का कहना है कि सॉरी दिल्ली की हवा खराब है इसलिए मैं तेरा होटल रूम नहीं बुक कर रहा. Such a lame excuse. Anyways, I could have booked a room myself because I know Delhi and everything. It's not as if I'm dependent on him. But it's just that it's his duty to do it, no? When he's around, इसको वो भी नहीं करना. तो ठीक है. Normal hotels must be going up or low as per rates. But किसी ने उसका फ़ोन नहीं उठाया. तो ठीक है. या मे भी उसने कोशिश ही नहीं करी. He just wanted me to go back. That's the zone. Because Meridian और इधर उधर ललित में भी उसका सेटिंग है, but still he did not make an effort. That's perfectly fine. And the whole thing is, Sangram, no knows people in Lee Meridian and all hotels. He must have not made a call. He must have not done that thing for me. Because I think these event guides did the ticket or something. So tickets were booked beforehand, or they must have got some discount. I don't know. But he did not call up his friends. So I also got the message. Now let him roam around village, let him do his own shit. See, IIC, IHC, all these places are cheaper compared to hotels. And hotels क्या करते हैं आजकल अभी rates बढ़ा भी देते हैं. They go on jumping rates. But I met, you know, the daughter of Lalit Suri in the daughter or मतलब you know relative. But anyways, I am just saying that I should have my own contacts now for bookings also. Online booking करूँगी, so it will show expensive, and then I will use the company money, and then he will say कि तूने company money से 2 दिन दिल्ली में कुछ नहीं किया. So I wanted him to book from his money, you know, but he was not even doing the booking. अगर वो booking करता तो अपने पैसे खर्चता ना. मुझे अगर खर्चना होता then I would have used the company money. Now what kind of expense do I show Delhi? I cannot show as an expense in company when the company is not doing anything. No? My own money I am not earning at present. I hope to start earning soon, so I have my own money. But my own money I have invested whatever earlier I have earned. So I didn't want to use the company money. So as I did not want to use the company money, I took the flight back because Sangram was not booking from his money, and he's the one who has his contacts. So you understand the game that happened with me. So I was like, ठीक है चलो chill, let's go back. वेदर फोरकास्ट तो दिल्ली का एकदम गड़बड़ होता है, ठीक है. तो वेदर फोरकास्ट जब तुम्हारा ठीक नहीं है दिल्ली का, तो एयर पोल्यूशन लेवल तुम कैसे बता रहे हो कि वो सही है? जितनी एयर पोल्यूशन T2 के बेसमेंट में थी, पार्किंग में थी, उतनी एयर पोल्यूशन दिल्ली में नहीं थी, या सेम लेवल की थी. मैं यहाँ पे कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम नॉट टेकिंग साइड्स, बट एज अ सिटीजन पोल्यूशन तो आपके T2 टर्मिनल के बेसमेंट में थी, पार्किंग में, P4 में, उसका क्या करेंगे?